This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Judy Brooks. Great curb appeal with an open floor plan. The features of the home are: great room with a stone fireplace that can be viewed from the kitchen, dining area and sunroom that has many windows for your viewing enjoyment of the large deck, that will be power washed and stained when weather permits, that leads to the backyard with a seasonal creek plus an extra large garage. The interior of the home has been repainted and the popcorn ceilings have been removed and painted too. Come and see for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Brooks at 931-707-2100.